Happy Kali Puja. Children, today is Kali Puja. May Goddess Kali Ma will erase all our misery with her blessings, and the darkness of the season will be mitigated by the prosperity and divine enlightenment.
আমার মা ত্বং হি তারা, আমার মা ত্বং হি তারা, তুমি ত্রিগুণধরা পরাৎ পরমা ত্বং হি তারা, আমার মা ত্বং হি তারা। আমার মা ত্বং হি তারা।
Welcome! Today is your day. Happy Children Day, kids. Fill this day with your love, innocence, and laughter. You are the ones who light up our mundane lives and give us a reason to look forward to. So, to honor this day, your favorite teachers have put up a splendid performance for you. Let's watch and enjoy.
Yes, today is 14th November and today is a very special day. Dear students, today is your day. Happy Children's Day. So every year we celebrate Children's Day on 14th November. So what is the history behind it? Let us know today. Children's Day is celebrated every year on the birthday of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Because of Chacha Nehru's immense love for children, 14th November was declared as Children's Day. Since the death of Nehru in 1964, nationwide, this day is celebrated to shower love and affection towards children. Pandit Nehru worked so much for the education, progress, well-being and welfare of the children. He had established various educational institutions. According to him, children should be carefully and lovingly nurtured, as they are the future of the nation and the citizens of tomorrow. So, children are the torchbearer of the future. Hence, every school celebrates this day with various events like quiz, debates, and cultural programs. Children's Day is a beautiful occasion to remember and celebrate the famous thoughts of Pandit Nehru. Dear students, do you remember? Every year in our school also we enjoy the day with fancy dress competition, talent hunt competition, and whole day you enjoy so much? So lastly, I would like to say the love and care that we give to our children today will bloom as the fate of our country tomorrow. Children's Day is a tribute to this thought. So, I will conclude with one of the quotation of Pandit Nehru. The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country.
You know, students, this year it's double celebration for us because today it's not only Children's Day but Diwali also. So come, let's celebrate it.
এবার তোমাদের জন্য একটা মজার কবিতা। এক যে আছে মজার দেশ, সব রকমই ভালো, রাত্রিরেতে বেজায় রোদ, দিনে চাঁদের আলো,
আকাশ শেখা সবুজ বন, গাছের পাতা নীল, ডাঙায় চড়ে রুই কাতলা, জলের মাঝে চিল।
সেই দেশেতে বিড়াল পালায়, নেংটি ইঁদুর দেখে ছেলেরা খায় ক্যাস্টর অয়েল, রসগোল্লা রেখে।
মন্ডা মিঠাই তেতো শেখা, ওষুধ লাগে ভালো, অন্ধকারটা সাদা দেখায়, সাদা জিনিস কালো।
Today I have two pictures with me only for you, lamp and candle, because Diwali is coming.
Hey Diwali aayi, Diwali aayi, खुशियों की बहार लाई। धूम चमक धूम धूम चमक धूम चकरी दम हमारी, इनसे बचना भाई।
पटाखे बाजे धूम धूम धूम, नाचे गाए हम और तुम।
घर घर दीप जलेंगे, घर घर दीप जलेंगे, खाएंगे मिठाई। दिवाली आई, दिवाली आई, खुशियों की बहार लाई।
Good morning to all my dear students. Today we celebrate the day as Children's Day. That means it's your day. Children's Day is celebrated in India every year with great enthusiasm on 14th of November. Do you all know why we celebrate this day as Children's Day? Because 14th November is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Indian Prime Minister of independent India. The children loved and respected him and called him Chacha Nehru. He wanted to be among children, talk to them and play with them. He had a great love for all the children like you. So, we celebrate the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru as our Children's Day. So, this day is yours. I hope you all will enjoy this day.
दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भर मन में भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती हर मन में होने सी आशा.
So, to conclude, as Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru said, the children of today will make the India of tomorrow. It is important to remember the real reason to celebrate Children's Day, to take forward Nehru's dream of the education of children so that they can be valuable citizens of the nation. Once again, Happy Children's Day to all my dear children. Enjoy the day and make us proud by your intelligence and dedication towards studies and other curricular activities.
Hello children, a very good morning to you all. I know you all are very happy today, as today is the most special day for you all. But children, why is the day so special today? Today is 14th of November and it is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who is also known as Chacha Nehru. Chacha Nehru loved young children very much. That is why his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day.
Know that you are little by your age, but we believe that you are mighty inside and you all are capable of doing great things in your life.
My little ones, you are like good angels, pure at heart and clean in your mind. So, we not only as a teachers, but your second mother try to inculcate all good and pure things into your heart and mind, which will really help you to build good character and be a good person into your life.
Children, we as teachers try to teach you and build your foundation. But we all know that you are all very intelligent, smart, strong and brave. So it's just you who does everything and shine like sunbeams everywhere.
Children, when you do something wrong, we the teachers try to rectify you and sometimes you may get scolding. But I would like to tell you that please don't be disheartened or disappointed, but love that person, because a person who loves you will always scold you. So children, we scold you means we love you.
You all are our little angels, and I know that the lessons that we teach, you don't like it at times, but don't neglect that and try to appreciate it. And one day you will master over it.
My dear ones, we as teachers want you to dream and dream big and set the goal of your life, and you will surely achieve it.
So children, I want to say you that we really love and miss you all, and we will soon meet at the school.
Hello children, how is it going? I hope all your families and friends are safe and sound. I wish every one of you a very happy Children's Day. Remember kids, you are the backbone of our society's future. You will make our country great. Always remember to maintain a good character, a zest for life and a bright optimism.
Hello my dear kids, the future of the nation, come with me. This is the place where your dreams will get a wing and your knowledge gets enrichment. This is your school.
This is the place, children, where you and we both take vows and both pray for good and enjoyable ahead and pay respect to our school.
Here is the place where we create bonding, we learn many new things and we enjoy
chant together.
This is the place where we please our mind. This is our playground, right kids?
Here we run, we jump, we can do whatever we want. We all love this place very much.
You celebrate so many festivals with great zeal and fun and make those festivals colorful.
Every time you do so many activities together and you show your uniqueness, intelligence, but in a cute manner.
In winter season, though it is damn cold outside, but you come with great energy. And by joining in the picnic session, you show us how caring and sharing nature you have for your friends, for your teachers.
Though in this pandemic situation, we cannot meet with each other. We miss your tender touch.
Though we virtually meet every day, but still miss your innocent love and gentle embrace.
In this day, we all your beloved teachers wish you a happy Children's Day. Enjoy your day a lot and keep your innocence intact like this. Once more time, I want to wish you a happy Children's Day.